Is it possible you've been holding your sandpaper wrong when you're hand sanding? I'm going to show you 2 wrong ways and 1 right way coming up. I want to talk about the best way that I feel anyway to use sandpaper when you are hand sanding. One thing that I've seen people do is to not fold the sandpaper at all. The problem with that is the back side of the sandpaper is smooth and the front side of it is coarse because it's sandpaper. And so when you put that on there, let's say that I want to sand, if I'm not holding it here and pinching it, I can't get it to go along there because the back side has less friction than the front side does. What a lot of people then do is they decide to fold it in half. Then you have coarse on one side and coarse on the other side. So theoretically that's going to be better, right? But again, unless you pinch the back side of it, you cannot, you see what that just is, that just doesn't work, right? So we have one option where we don't do anything. We have one option where we fold it in half. What if we do a third option and take the piece of sandpaper and fold it into thirds? Now all of a sudden, I'm not pinching on the back side and I can very easily sand with that. The reason is because this part of the sandpaper that you folded in as the first third, that is abrasive and it holds to the back side of the sandpaper here, which is not abrasive, and it keeps it from doing what the half does, which is to slide this way, and then it keeps your hand from sliding over that way. Instead, you just have, at some point, we'll just flip that over and flip the other third that has not been used out. All of a sudden, you've got fresh sandpaper there, and you can continue sanding. So if you're not folding your sandpaper into thirds for hand sanding, give it a try. I guarantee you, once you start doing it, you will not go back to this or that. I promise. It's good stuff. Todd Wolfe of Made by Wolfe, encouraging you to get out there, get into your workshop, grab some sandpaper, make it smooth, and make something today.